Hello guys, welcome back. This is KHS for After Effects tutorial channel, and now working with Universe plugins in Adobe After Effects. Let's start. Create a new composition and name it Universe Test. Enter and create a new solid. Right here, light. When you install Universe plugins, you must go to effects. There is a lot of plugins by the name in Universe, and there is motion graphics effects like HUD components. You can use this effect on the visual effect like Iron Man effects, and go to parameters, effect control, and select the choose a preset. There is presets about loading, analog clock, bug 1 2 3, target, 3D target. Select one of them and play, and you can control the effect elements in effect control. Master animation speed, element 1. You can change the colors, and element 2, change the colors. You can see the difference. If you import any footage, the effect is alpha. Alpha mean the effect didn't need to remove the background. And the most important Universe effect is no light factory. Select the solid and go to effect control, delete, and go back to effects, stylize, no light factory. Choose a flare. There's a lot of presets of lights. Select add by pressing F4 on keyboard and select the mode, change to add, like this. Use this on your VFX movie scenes, on your motion graphics projects, and change the colors, change the scales, brightness. Another important effect in Universe is Glowify. The Glowify, the most using this effect on the title right here, VFX artist. Change the color, which color you want. Go to effects, Glowify, browse, double click, play now. Another important effect is heat wave. Test the heat wave effect on desert footage. Select this footage and drop it new composition and go to effects, select the heat wave, play now. The next effect is holometrics. If you want to change this effect, go to choose the presets. There's a lot of presets. Select the all TV effects, select the security camera effects, okay guys, I introduced you the most important universe effects, and you can check the another universe effects. Thank you for watching. See you next time.